Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Welcome! Welcome to my channel. Before I begin, don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First, I want to tell you something great that everybody could use this. The information on how to get free stuff on Amazon. Yes, and I have proof. I am so happy about that because it's a series. I'm going to show you things that I get from Amazon and that I did not pay a dime on. That means shipping, anything, tax. If it's tax on it, nothing. Free. Totally 100% free. That's right. I'm here to help you. So watch my series and see the things that the free merchandise lady will get for free. Yeah, so I can keep growing, and be a beautiful flower. Keep watching. Coming up. Now I'm going to show you some items that I got for free. You remember when we was young, or, well, I'm a little older, and our moms and grandmothers or great grandmothers use like jars like this. This is a milk bottle, glass milk bottle. I always wanted the glass milk bottle, and I got these. These are 33.8 ounces. It's four in a pack. I just showed you two, but it's four. I use them for juice. I use them for milk. You could use it for whatever. You could use it for water, but I use it for like juice and milk. And it's wonderful. It's glass. This is glass. And it's glass, and I love it. Like I said, it's four in a pack. They are 33.8 ounces. But they originally would cost $18.97 at Amazon. I got them for free. Check this out. For free. Look at that. Look at them real good. Yes, this is what I wanted. Like I said, I will show you how to get free stuff on Amazon. It's a series. Whatever I feel that I want to buy, I'm going to show you how I get it for free. And I'm going to show you proof. So I'm showing you the items first. But now, next, I'm going to show you how I got it for free. The proof I got it for free. Then, after that, I will show you how I did it. Keep watching. Now, I'm going to show you the proof of how I got it for free. First of all, you see the information blanked out? That's my personal information. But this is an invoice that was printed off the Amazon site. So I could show you. Here it is. Here's the invoice. Look at this. 1 liter glass milk bottle. 4 in a pack. Look at that, 33.8 ounces like I showed you. 4 in a pack, $18.97. That's scratched out. You see that? Amazon Day. I'm an Amazon Prime member. But you see gift card right there? Yes. And you go over. You see that? You remember the price? Look at the tax. And look at that gift card amount. And look at this. 0. Grand total is 0. That's what I'm saying. And remember how these jars look. Look, I'm going to show you one. Remember? This is how the jar look. 33.8 ounces. Look at that. 0. You can't beat it. And like I said, this just a small Everyday item. I will show you many items how I get them for free. I want you to do the same thing. And you keep watching. I'll show you next how I got it. The site that I use is Inboxdollars. Yes, that is how I got my Amazon gift card. But it don't take too much of your time because you could just not just do surveys. You could look at videos. You could do a little shopping if you like and do get cash back. You got magic receipts where you can get off on your grocery items. Look at that. Look at that about your grocery items. It's not a lot, but it adds up. And look at all your major stores. Look at that. And look at this. Check this out. Look at that on eggs. Look at that. Bread. Yeah, they got magic receipts. Look at that. $1 off milk. Well, I don't know about the vodka though. No, not for me. Look at this. Check these items out. They added this to their site. But it is wonderful because guess what? With groceries going up and everything, we need this bad. Check this out. Wow, right? Check this one out. Let's see some more. Look at this. What about this? I know it's not a whole lot, but it adds up. Then when you hit that cash out, and then you get the Amazon gift card, wow, right? Then you could get coupons, you could play video games. Look at all the video games they have. Video games are the faster, easier way to get cash. And like I said, I get the Amazon gift card when I cash out. And then you go on a search. You could search for whatever and get cash back on that. Then they have trivia. They have the referral. They have so much. And like I said, every time when they come out to cash out with me, I just always get the Amazon gift card. Like I said, Inboxdollars been out for a long time. They're very reliable. There's no fee to get started. My link is below. Like I said, I'm going to bring you more things that I get for free on Amazon and with proof. You saw the proof. Now join. Join Inboxdollars. Get started. Then after that, please like, share, subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more things. What you get? 100% free. Because why? You got this information from the free merchandise lady. That's right.